Well, hello, I am Lady Terri B. Jones, and I am so excited about the upcoming story based activity book challenge that I'm going to be hosting here. And I want you to join the waitlist, okay? And what you're going to be able to do in this challenge is to be able to turn your published book into a lead generating activity book in 5 days. Okay. Now we are going to meet in person live on a Zoom, and we're actually going to roll up our sleeves and get things done. I am a person that gets results. I am gifted to teach. I've been in IT for 38 years, and so I definitely look forward to helping you create your activity based, your story based activity book. Okay. And so, what you're going to do is you're going to learn how to plan, create, and promote a story based activity book that will boost your engagement, that will grow your audience, and increase your book sales. Even if you've never designed anything before, even if you had somebody else to publish your book for you, I'm going to help you definitely be able to get more people to know about your book, okay? Which will lead to sales, which could lead to you actually going on speaking gigs, and there's so many different things that can happen with you once you get more momentum around your published book that will bring transformation to those who read it. Okay. Now, who is this challenge for? It's for published authors, okay, who want to extend the life of their book. You don't want it to where you have published this book, now it's on Amazon, but you have nobody buying it, okay? It is also for those who are faith based creators looking to have fun and add purposeful activities for those who are readers of the book so that they can enhance their transformation. Okay. Another reason that for those who, another person that should decide to join this challenge are definitely coaches or educators that have books and they want to turn those lessons into interactive workbooks. And of course, if you are a passionate storyteller ready to grow your audience and income, you definitely want to get on this wait list for the story based activity book challenge. Okay. And so definitely I look forward to continuing those who have already downloaded the checklist. Okay. If you have not downloaded the checklist, you go to this link I have here, the bit.ly link at TBJ Story Based Checklist. Okay. And definitely you will be able, okay? And definitely you will be able to get on the wait list because I haven't determined yet the actual date of this challenge, but I know it's going to be sometime within the next month. Okay. And so get the checklist, start getting yourself together, and also getting the $97 together so that you will be able to get this product out of your head into your hands. For those of you who know me, you know that I have created a Bible trivia game, and God gave me that. When He gave me that idea, I had never created a board game before, but guess what? I was able to take that concept out of my head and into my hands in 60 days, a Bible trivia board game. Okay. And so, of course, creating a story based activity book, definitely I know how to make that happen. I've already made it happen for the last book, the book collaboration that I did. And so I just want to help you. Okay. So anyway, go ahead on and click and join the wait list, and I look forward to connecting with you.